I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the GE Relax bulbs. So these are LED bulbs. What I like about them, they're a soft white light, which means they're basically the equivalent in color to an old incandescent bulb. It's about a 2700 Kelvin, 2700 K rating if you're looking at that, but it's an LED, so it's going to have much better power usage. So whereas these would have been a 7 or 60 watt bulb when they were an incandescent, now they're only 8.5 watts. So that saves you money, it's better for the environment. These are dimmable, which is great. So I'll pull one out. You can see the design of it on here is basically the same look as you would get with a traditional incandescent bulb. Same base here as well, so easy to just put these into any socket that would have had an incandescent bulb. Really, you can't even tell the difference from the bulb itself. And then I'll show you up here in my light fixture. Got one of those bulbs burning. It's nice, balanced light, nice warm light for your kitchen or inside your house. And these work great. I find it's a really nice bulb.